Namaste, good evening. Now everybody is concerned about the belly fat. Now that we are all staying in the house because of the COVID lockdown, we tend to eat more. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there is lot of people doing and experimenting cakes, buns and everything in the house, so which leads to weight gain because there is not much of work. Okay, so how do you lose the belly fat? Before that, I want to tell you whether the belly fat is good or bad. There are many reasons why people gain belly fat, including poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress is also there. Okay, and we have to increase the activity and reduce the stress. Now, why the belly fat is dangerous? Why the belly fat is dangerous? Being overweight is one of the leading causes of major diseases. இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், battle of bulge. People normally come to yoga, very many people come to yoga with a lot of weight, so and they want to reduce the weight. And one more thing is, the man, 50 years man is coming to the yoga class to reduce the belly fat and reduce the weight, and he wants something to happen within 2 months or 3 months, and that is the greatest part of the comedy in this. So excess belly fat can increase the risk. What risk? Heart diseases, heart attacks, high blood pressure, stroke, type 2 diabetes, asthma, breast cancer in the ladies, colon cancer, cervical cancer in the ladies again, and Alzheimer's disease. Okay, and why do we have this belly fat at all? But normally we think that in India, belly fat அப்படின்ட்டு இருந்தாலே, நல்ல குண்டா இருந்தாலே வந்து it's a sign of prosperity. That is what people think, and that is the biggest problem. And if I tell people to exercise, they come and do the exercise and go. But what the problem is, 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, they come and do the workouts and things like that, and throughout the day they keep sitting. They don't get up from their seat. So every half an hour or 1 hour you have to just go around, do some stretches, simple stretches. You don't have to do some big yoga and all that. இப்போ நீங்கள் ஆஃபீஸில் இருந்தீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து யோகா அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. சும்மா கையை அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே ஒரு முறுக்கி கொடுங்க, அவ்வளோதான் ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெச்சு. Now, poor diet அப்படின்னா சாப்பிடாம இருக்கிறதுன்னு நினைக்கக்கூடாது. Poor diet means, I will tell you what. Sugary foods such as cakes and candy, drinks, soda, fruits, fruit juice, இதெல்லாம் poor dietல தான் வரும். Why it is poor diet? Because it does not have any nutrients and minerals. It can cause weight gain. Low protein, high carb diets may also affect the weight. Low protein diet and high carb. நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இது ப்ராப்ளம் நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். பட் இதில் என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, the problem is we don't eat the right food in India. It is not, Indian food is not bad. Indian food is the best food. And American Heart Association recommend that people replace trans fats with healthful whole grain foods and mono unsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. இப்போ trans fatனா என்ன அப்படின்றத விட அது எதில் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Trans fats are in many foods including fast foods, baked foods, example crackers, muffins, cakes, இது எல்லாமே இருக்கும். Right? Now, next thing is too much of alcohol. Now, what is too much and what is less? That is again a big problem. So, it is better to completely avoid this. உங்க லெஸ் வந்து எனக்கு டூ மச்சா இருக்கும். So please stop it. Now, lack of exercise. If a person consumes more calories than they can burn off, they will put on weight. More income, less expenses. This is what is happening in the Indian household. I am talking only about the Indians. Inactive lifestyle. People keep on sitting on the couch. They become couch potatoes. Stress. Stress பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it releases cortisol. A steroid hormone known as cortisol helps control the body, helps the body control. So this cortisol increases the fat. It has got an impact on the metabolism. Nama metabolism completely it is taken, it goes berserk. Genetics, அது நீங்க ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது genetics. And but genetics ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா it doesn't mean that I know one lady tells எங்க அப்பா குண்டு, எங்க தாத்தாலாம் குண்டா தான் இருந்தாங்க, எங்க அப்பாவும் எங்க அம்மாவெல்லாம் குண்டா இருந்தாங்க, அதனால நானும் குண்டா தான் இருக்கிறேன், அதனால இது எங்க வீட்டுல வழி வழியா வருது அப்படின்னுவாங்க. I'm not joking. This is எனக்கு ஒரு லேடி சொன்னது. This is not correct. You have to change it. Poor sleep, less sleep, more body weight. More sleep, less body weight. More sleep, and it doesn't mean that you have to sleep for 8-10 hours. 8, maximum 7 to 8 hours is more than sufficient. அதுக்கு மேல நீ போவே வேணாம். And smoking may not, researchers may not consider smoking to be a direct cause of the belly fat, but it becomes a risk factor. It becomes a risk factor. So how to lose the belly fat? Now improve your diet. Normal, but take more fruits, take more vegetables, reduce your intake of oily foods, and reduce your alcohol consumption or stop it completely. Increase your exercise, keep moving. நீங்க இதுக்காக நீங்க வண்டி எடுத்துட்டு 2 கிலோமீட்டர் யோகா சென்டருக்கோ இல்லை நீங்க இந்த ஜிம்முக்கோ போக வேண்டிய அவசியமே கிடையாது. நீங்க வீட்டிலே பண்ணிட்டு what you can do is you increase the household work, so that is where you keep on burning the calories throughout the day. Reduce your stress, improve your sleep pattern, and quit the smoking. So these are the ways you can keep your belly fat or your overweight under check. Thank you.